Hello everyone, welcome back to Creative Life. We have an exciting topic to discuss, how to provide chatbot service with the help of ChatGPT and earn money. Make sure to subscribe to this ongoing podcast and let's get started.
Setting up your Chatbot-powered chatbot. Step 1 is setting up your Chatbot-powered chatbot. First, you'll need to choose a platform to build your chatbot on. There are several options out there, but we recommend using the ChatGPT platform for its advanced capabilities and user-friendly interface. Customizing your chatbot for monetization. Now your chatbot up and running, it's time to customize it for monetization. By integrating your chatbot with customer support systems, you can help businesses, which can save them time and money while creating an opportunity for you to earn revenue.
Exploring different monetization strategies. Apart from customer support, there are many ways to monetize your chatbot. For instance, you can collaborate with brands and companies for sponsored messages or product recommendations. Through affiliate marketing. By partnering with relevant businesses, you can earn commissions for every sale made through your chatbot's recommendations. Growing your chatbot business. As your chatbot gains popularity and generates income, it's essential to focus on its growth. Promote your chatbot on different platforms, engage with your audience, and continuously improve its performance based on user feedback. The key to success. Remember, the key to success is providing value and building trust with your users. By consistently delivering helpful and personalized experiences, you can attract more opportunities for monetization. Thanks for your watching and don't forget to subscribe to Creative Life. We will be giving out a great news tomorrow on our YouTube channel. See you all soon.